hair. This hair came out so good. Like, look at this hair. You see this hair? Like, look at this hair. It came out so good. So good. And yeah, so let me tell you guys all about this hair. Before I get into that, let me tell you really quick about me. My name is Chantey Simpson. I am a licensed cosmetologist who turned beauty blogger, who decided to share all the information that I've obtained over these 15 years of doing hair, either behind the chair or just my own, but mostly behind the chair. But hey, let me fast forward and get to what you get out of this channel. If you are interested in hair tutorials, you know, natural hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, then I'm your girl, because I got you on that. I think this is like my 4th week that I've been consecutive on here. So I'm celebrating because I'm excited to have actually been doing what I said I was going to do. Now is to be more live and consistent on here, more present on here, because I realized that there's those people that need my help as well on here. So today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look right here using the Doux. I'm excited about the Doux because I've been following this brand for, I want to say, at least 2 years at least. I met Maya some years ago at a hair show here in Atlanta, and I was really impressed with her hair and what she's been doing. So once I tried the product once before, but I only used the foam, so I don't really feel like I gave the brand a great shot, because there's so many other products that you can try as well. But I wanted to try the cream because I heard just recently on Facebook, you know, on one of those Facebook groups, this girl was saying she has 4C hair. This girl was saying that her twist came out really good. Her twist set, and I saw the twist, and the twist looked really good. Like, her texture was popping. It looked very moisturized, which is very hard for us to find. You know, having natural hair, it's very hard to find a product that really moisturizes the hair. I mean, you gotta admit, after you blow dry the hair, sometimes it feels a little hard and a little, you know, a little hard, and it just needs to be moisturized like heavily. So I think I have found a cream. I have found a cream that has a really good, it's just so moisturizing. Like, the only other cream I've used that is just I will say that can't compare to this is one from C.R.E.A.M. It was good, but this one right here, this is a real good cream. I mean, I'm gonna try to be funny, like, this cream right here is good. And this is not a sponsored post. I will mention this is not sponsored. I got paid nothing for this. I just wanted to put it out there that I found a product that does work really well for our hair and that moisturizes the hair really well. So without further ado, the Doux cream is made with coconut, rose water, vitamin E, avocado, Manoi, I hope I said it right. And it is a twist and curl cream for curling and defining the perfect twist out. Although I didn't do a twist out with this, I did an actual Bantu knot out. So this is what it looks like. So it works for, of course it will work for any type of look that you're trying to go for. If you're trying to get moisture, this is it. This is going to be what you need. So let me tell you about how I went about creating this look. Okay, this look I did. I freshly washed, I freshly shampooed and conditioned my hair. You want to start with a sulfate-free shampoo, and then use a really good heavy conditioner. Go under the dryer for about 30 minutes to make sure that conditioner gets into your hair. Do like a deep treatment. Really take your time with your hair. Then I blow dried my hair on low heat just to stretch it out a bit. And then I went in with this cream. I applied the cream to the hair, and I noticed, I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm gonna show it on the clip here so you can see, but I noticed that my hair immediately felt soft. Like, it felt really soft, and I was like, okay, like without doing anything, it's soft. So that is a good sign that the hair is going to take it. The hair is actually gonna melt into the hair really well. And I just knew that, I just knew, just from knowing how products work, I knew it was gonna come out really good. So the key about this, I'm gonna tell you a little secret about this. This cream, you cannot be heavy-handed with this cream, right? This cream is probably preferred to use on moist or wet hair, just wet hair. You can use this straight wet hair. I think it says on here that you need to apply the clean wet, but you can't apply the dry. It says dry on here too. Twist, coil, shingle, allow the hair to dry completely before separating the curls, right? But I'm gonna tell you a little trick. If you're too heavy-handed with this, it will flake. It will flake, but not the product. It's more of a user error. So I had one section of my hair, like right here, and you can't really see it because it's not really bad, but just like right here, I got a little heavy-handed. And so yeah, so you want to use very little on each section. So I'll show you the sections I did, but I did one section at a time. Use a little bit of cream and Bantu knotted the hair in a circle and just did it all over. You can go under the dryer for an hour and a half, an hour, depends on how thick your hair is. I have super thick hair, dense hair, takes forever to dry. I did that, took it out, and it came out good. Now, another thing that I did have to do was because my hair, you know, just depends on how long your hair takes to dry. So just make sure it's dry before you take it out, or you just ruin the whole look, right? So I did go running after I Bantu'd my knot. Let me slow down. I did re-knot my hair last night. I went on a run. I went on a little quick run just to get my exercise in, because you ain't gotta get the exercise in, trying to, you know, tighten up, lean out, whatever, let you know how it goes along the way. But yeah, so trying to lose a little bit of weight. So went on a little run, and my hair got wet. I mean, my hair got wet. This is thing about it. It just depends if you sweat in your head or not. You know, exercise, whatever. I sweat in my head, so my Bantu knots got wet. I got a little concerned. I'm gonna tell you, I got a little concerned. I said, shoot, I hope that tomorrow my hair does not wither up, because sometimes when you get your hair wet, the ends will wither up a little bit and it causes frizz, right? Well, I let it dry till after I cleaned the house this morning. You know, Saturday today. After I cleaned the house for a couple of hours, I took the hair down, and I noticed there's really not a lot of frizz. Like, the frizz is minimum. So day 2 hair, y'all, still looks good. Very happy with it. Yeah, so I will give this a thumbs up, definitely a thumbs up, because of the fact that I ran in this hair and it still looks like this. Oh, yeah, this came out good, considering that I ran on it. Usually it don't last. Bantu knots, I always have the hardest time with Bantu knots. It's the best protective style. It is the best protective style because it's no manipulating really of the hair a lot. I mean, you're only gonna put low heat on it once, then you just retwist at night and you're good to go for the next day. But the challenge is working out. So you're gonna get it, it's gonna get wet. It doesn't matter. I just get wet in the evening. I work out in the evenings when I rock Bantu knots, as opposed to the morning, because I don't have the hours in the day for my hair to dry. So yeah, so definitely I recommend it. If you need a cream that's gonna be good for both twist outs and yeah, cream that's good for twist out and a cream that works for your Bantu knot, this is it. So pick it up. You can pick this up at Target. You can pick it up on the Doux. The Doux, I love the Doux. I think it's called Love the Doux. But the problem is, well, I went on a website and I tried to pick it up on her personal website, but she was out of stock. I always try to patronize the business directly as opposed to shopping other places, because I know that, you know, the cut and all. But she didn't have any on her website, so I got this from Target. So you can pick her products up at your local Target. I got it online because I have not been out really, considering what is going on right now with the pandemic and COVID. So, but yeah, so this is it right here. So I would say, what else? I know she has a wrap foam. The wrap foam was not really like it. I'm gonna have to give the wrap foam another try. I tried the wrap foam some years ago, but I didn't really like the way my hair came out. But it could be, like I said, a lot of times it's user error, and you know, it's user error a lot of times what you're doing. So I've changed a couple things since then, so I will give the foam another try. And then I have the gel as well. I have the gel. It's called Big Papa. I think about Big Papa gel, like a gel for wash and go. I saw that, so now I want to try that. I have that over there, so I'm going to try that out as well. So the next time I come on here, I'll be probably talking about the gel as well, so you guys can know how that works on the wash and go on, because my texture is kind of mixed up. I really have 4A in the front. I have 4B mostly all over. I don't really see a lot of 4C or nothing like that, but I do have coarse hair. Everything does not work on my hair. It does not. I have, what is it called? I can't think of the name right now. Oh yeah, you can get it right. Come on, stylist, as they say. High porosity hair, so my hair absorbs things really quick. It absorbs everything, but at the same time it dries out quick, just like anybody else hair. Like, it doesn't retain moisture. It takes more to keep it moisturized. I mean, I have to put product in my hair, literally. So this is thick, so this got you. So I love the Doux. I definitely love the Doux, and I like the owner, Maya. She's really cool and very what can I say about Maya? Maya's very cool and very likable person, and I look forward to supporting her brand some more and promoting her brand some more, just because that's what we do for each other, right? So I will see you guys very soon, and I also want to say, of course, if you learn anything informative about this video, definitely like or give me a thumbs up, as you say on here. Subscribe, share with a friend who is looking for someone to follow that has natural hair and is challenged as well. I'll be teaching you how to Bantu knot the hair. If you want more of another tutorial on Bantu knot, I'll drop a few down here that I got already on here. And then let me know if you want an updated wash and go routine. Let me know if you want an updated Bantu knot routine. Like, just let me know what you're looking for. Let me know if you need updated growth hacks or anything like that, because I can teach you about that or tell you about that as well. I don't have super long hair, but my hair is growing a lot. And this makeup look, these lashes are Foxy lashes. These are from my line. I'll put the link below so you can shop that as well. This lip gloss is called the Rose Blush lip gloss. This is a handmade lip gloss that I have. You could also shop that as well on the Brown Sugar Glam collection. So other than that, I will see you guys in a week or so. I do uploads every week now. So anyway, I will see you guys very soon. Thank you so much for watching my review on the Doux Cream Twist and Curl Cream, and I will see you guys very soon.